Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So I remember in my previous video I mentioned that I'll be creating Microsoft Office learning materials, for my viewers. And here it is. I have created powerful Excel shortcuts that makes your work very easy. So whether you are new to Excel or you are looking to improve your skills in Excel, this is an opportunity for you to learn. So let's just dive straight into the video. So the first one we'll be starting, which is the Control A. The Control A helps you to highlight every single thing on your sheet. So you click on an empty area on your Excel sheet and then you click Control A. Then you get every part of your worksheet highlighted. Next, we have some simple formatting shortcuts where you use Control B. Here, this makes you make your text bold. So you press Control B and then you see your text becoming bold. Another shortcut you must have been familiar with is Control C and Control V. Control C helps you copy your text from a clipboard. While you click on an empty area on your worksheet, press Control V. This Control V helps you paste your copied item on an empty worksheet. Searching for something in your spreadsheet, you can use Control F. So are you searching for something in your spreadsheet? Control F is the best shortcut to use. So Control F helps you to open a search box and find the data you need very quickly. Or do you want to undo an action? You use Control Z, and to redo an action, Control Y is the most applicable.